Have you come across costreviews.com and its flashy promise of a $750 Costco gift card just for completing a few tasks? At first glance, it sounds like a dream deal: free money for a bit of your time. But before you dive in and give away your information, it's important to take a closer look at what's really going on behind the scenes. In this video, we take a deep dive into how this offer works, what happens when you actually click sign up, and why offers like this are often more trouble than they're worth. Once you land on the site, everything seems harmless: a clean layout, easy instructions, and the tempting idea that you're just a few steps away from a big payout. But the moment you start clicking through, things quickly turn suspicious. You're redirected through multiple third-party sites, asked to complete endless surveys, and pushed to sign up for offers that require sensitive personal details, email, phone number, even your address. It starts to feel less like a simple gift card offer and more like a data harvesting scheme wrapped in marketing fluff. And here's the kicker: the actual gift card? Nowhere to be found. No confirmation, no tracking progress, no clear terms about how many offers you need to complete or when you'll receive the reward. It's an endless loop designed to keep you clicking, all while advertisers make money off your activity. What makes it worse is the total lack of transparency. There's no visible contact info, no real customer support, and no way to check the status of your reward. If you dig through the fine print, you'll find vague terms that put the responsibility on you to figure it all out, while giving them the right to share your information with marketing partners. And although it might not be a scam in the traditional legal sense after all, they never technically promise anything concrete. It's definitely misleading and shady. These types of reward sites operate in a gray zone where the goal is to capture your attention and your data, not to genuinely reward you. So is costreviews.com a legit way to get a $750 Costco gift card? Based on everything we found, the answer leans heavily toward no. It's a classic example of bait-style marketing: lure you in with an eye-catching offer, then send you through a frustrating maze of ads and sign-ups with no real outcome. If you're looking for real deals, you're better off sticking with verified loyalty programs or legit cashback apps. At the end of the day, if something sounds too good to be true, it usually is, and this one definitely fits that category.